So we have question number 2.1. In this question says ki arrange the following metal in the order in which they can displace each other from the solution of their salt. So the metal that we have is Al, Cu, Fe, Mg and Zn, right? So this question belongs to class 10th actually. In there we have studied a reactivity series, if you are able to remember that. So that series is actually reactivity series, and that reactivity series is like goes like this. K is the highest reactive metal, and Au, that is gold, is the least reactive metal in that series, right? And that series is the concept that here used is from that series. So what that series signifies is the metal that is most reactive metal in that series can displace the least reactive metal or the less reactive metal than that metal from its salt solution, right? So that was the concept in the class 10th, and that is used here, right? So here you can see that the metal that is provided is Mg, Al, Zn, Fe and Cu. So you can see Mg is the highest reactive, then Al comes after, then Zn followed by Fe and Cu, right? So this is the arrangement from increasing to decreasing order of reactivity, and particularly this signifies ki Mg will is able to displace all this four metal from its salt solution. And if we consider aluminium, then aluminium can displace all these three metal from its salt solution and except Mg, right? So this is the thing.